Today we understand octal to decimal number conversion. Octal to decimal number conversion. So, octal to decimal number conversion we can do in two methods. We'll go with the method 1, right? Method 1. For this I am taking an example here. We know how many digits we have in octal, 8. In decimal we have 10. That's why we are writing 8 as a base here in octal and 10 as a base in a decimal. Let me take an example to understand. Okay. I am taking here 3, 4, 5 octal number. This number we have to convert into decimal number. So, how can we do that? It's simple. Okay. Go with the last bit or right side, from right side. 5 multiply with 8 to the power of 0. Okay. Next digit is a 4 now. 4 multiply with 8 to the power of 1 plus next digit 3 multiply 8 to the power of 2 and so on. If in this case we have only 3 digits, that's why I am taking 8 to the power of 0 for first one, 8 to the power of 1 for second, 8 to the power of 2 for third one. Okay. Now next step you just write down the values. 5 8 to the power of 0 means it's a 1. Okay. Plus next 4 8 to the power of 1 means it's 8. Okay. Next here 3 into 8 to the power of 8 to the power of 2 means it's a 64. Okay. So first digit will be 5 1s are 5 plus 4 8s are it's 32. Okay. 64 3s are 192. Okay guys, so add all these three. Okay, what will you get? It's a 229. Okay, base is 10. So we converted an octal number to decimal, right? Okay, we'll see method 2 also. Method 2 we are discussing here. So as an example, I am taking a number like 2, 3, 4. This is the octal number. We have to convert it to decimal number. Okay. In this method, first go with the first value, that is 2. Okay. Right. And multiply with the 8 here. 2 8s are. What you get? 2 8s are, we know, 16. Now go with the second value, that is 3. Okay, what we have here? 16, and this 3 you add, 16 plus 3, it will become a 19. Again you multiply with the 8, it will become 19 8 is a 152. Okay, next last digit I am writing here, that is 4, and what we have? 152, and add this digit, that is 4. So what you will get? It's a 156. So this is a decimal number. So what we are doing here, we are taking each and every time we are taking first value, then second value, then third value. In first time what we are doing, we are multiplying with the 8. So we are getting 16. We taking this 16 and adding this 3, it will become 19. Now we are multiplying with the 8, so it will become 152, and we are taking that 152 and last digit we are adding, so it will be 156. Okay, like this, by using any of these two methods, we simply convert a octal number to decimal number. Thank you.